most precious treasures. So, let us invite our school choir for the welcome song.
Thank you, friends. May I request our brother principal to welcome MD Sri Ganesh Debarma. Thank you, brother. Get ready to travel back to the days of innocence and carefree laughter. Our tiny toots are here to steal your hearts with adorable presentation of nursery rhymes. Watch as our youngest Montfortians take the stage with confidence, charm, and innocent enthusiasm. A huge round of applause to welcome our kindergarten stars to the stage. हामबाय चिनी चराय बदल रग
Daddy shark, Daddy shark.
Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma.
Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt doo 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 doo. Let's go hunt doo 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 doo. Let's go hunt doo 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 doo. Let's go hunt.
Run away doo 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 doo. Run away doo 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 doo. Run away doo 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 doo.
sizzling stars, we now arrive at the most heartfelt segment, a special tribute to the most important persons in life. Parents are our first teachers, strongest supporters, and greatest cheerleaders in life's journey. Through this presentation, we honor the countless sacrifices, endless patience, and unconditional love that parents shower upon us. This tribute will surely touch every parent's heart. Please welcome Class 4 for the beautiful performance.
माँ बाप, मम्मी पापा, मदर फादर, आई बाबा, सिर्फ एक हमारे जीवन अस्तित्व जिनको हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं। हमें इस दुनिया में लाने वाले एक अलग पहचान हम सबसे पहले भगवान भूल जाते हैं। चलना फिरना, खाना पीना, प्यार करना, जीवन की इंपॉर्टेंस सीखने वाले हमारे सबसे पहले टीचर को हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं।
मुझे इस दुनिया मुझे बोलना चलना सिखाया, पिता तुम से लाया, बोलना चलना सिखाया। ओ मात पिता तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने हाथ से तुम्हें पाया। प्यारी माँ मम्मा, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ मम्मा, हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी,
Ang chini Parents Day program o manjak nai joto mapha songno saklayo chini o program naro Mukthang TV channel o live o naibano.
Thank you all for your incredible performance. The energy continues with an even more dynamic action dance performance. Our young dancers have spent countless hours rehearsing, perfecting their steps, and synchronizing their movements. Every step tells a story. Every movement conveys an emotion, and every smile lights up the stage. Let's welcome our energetic dancers of UKG.
Jotono Fuenkaha. A very good morning to everyone. Respected Brother Principal, all the fathers, sisters, my two colleagues, Honorable Member of District Council, Sri Sodakar Koloi, Honorable Member of District Council, Sri Ganesh Devarma, our former Executive Member, Sri Chandrodaya Rupini, all the school committees, respected teachers, lovely parents, and beautiful creation of God, our lovely students. Tini most of them khaksamo khakaham yafam chu sini school authority, sini Montfort School, especially Brother Josno, buang pai chichi doi krungye, plus over thousands of students know. Chung kaya put him beyond. Asai kaya without education, bahasa kau belum dikuno value koi. Tini to Montfort School. As I also said in the earlier program when I came here, I said Montfort School is one of the best schools in Tripura. Let us give a huge round of applause for Montfort School. Without yesterday, there can be today, and without today, there can be tomorrow. So without the students, there is no future. To protect these students, important for education, to after 3 years or after 5 years, we send our children to the school, giving, entrusting to the school, to the teachers, to the school of Aku mukti tahu ni mukti ba, khusyuk mo. With somebody, jadi maro maka. What do we want from the students? I'm a mother of 2 kids. Therefore, sometimes we get home. Jaga nayo dini mo monfort school jini student ni fee khoksa ni student jini insani fee kuso 1500 how much as a parent to make you a beautiful person to exist on this beautiful planet to live a challengeable life in this challengeable society your parents contributes a lot to monthly 1500 yanai gari bara yanai tuition fee yanai other core curriculum activities of your contribution family maintenance some parents from struggle to apno chungsa hisabe as a student as a children you must understand our panwo parents na yung sani sakamo be parents expect from a student from a child that let my child study comfortably grow and become someone in a society is the end of the day the student during the time brother I was most of the time with the CCNP so I'm my brother VS the school. How many hours my child remain in the school? They come from home at 8 o'clock and they reach here by some 8:15 and they reach home again by 3:30. So how many hours here they are in the school with you all? Abo pandamoro jagamo school and the school also has a very much role. One is chung parents chung work place uthawo chini master ni saka chu bisa sawo school principal ni saka chu bisa sawo committee ni saka chu bisa sawo yes my child is safe in Montfort school my child is receiving a good education in Montfort school my child is learning more other than bookies knowledge other curriculum activities my child is learning abo expectation by jo guardian of chini sano school horiyo abo panama samchumo ke bose my special request to the teachers I don't know where are the teachers. I know our respected teachers are well qualified and giving their dedication to this school, to the private missionary school with a bare minimum salary. It is not sufficient in today's day to work with few thousands. It is very hard for them. But in spite of their limited salaries, not looking for the how much amount they are being paid, they have dedicated, they are giving their best education to the children. Ang dini jo to guardian sono, jo to guardian na kaya ni koi mukto na yang ese guardian. Chini school authority, abu chini master ni ma panda mo, chung phai dia mama ko tainai. Chini master pai school authority ba panda ko. According to me, before I joined politics, I was a small setup by me. I was teaching. I taught tuition. I taught my own children. Today, one of my students, Arpitaria from Holy Cross, Corbo, she is the team captain of the girls band. They participated in a state. Now they were selected and they have gone out of state. Why I am saying this? Education is giving and taking. Education is not that I receive double PhD. When I die, I am going to carry the certificate. Being educated is not enough if I cannot share something to somebody else. If I am educated, I should make somebody like me. Ang ejo sikhok ba sikhi mane lekha na gyan jibi na tere kya ko ang ke ma ke nai. Abo kasi education in meaning. Abo panamo ang just one share ken chumake pose. I started a small nursery with only 11 students before I came into politics. I collected all the students from every house. I took only 1,000 for admission and the school fee was only 300. My aim is not to earn money, but I know in that area, in that remote area, there is no English medium school. So what will happen without receiving English medium school? Though there is a Bengali medium, there was no proper education. So I was worried what will happen to these children? Ang kiha no thanya bot re no tu biye. Kung te dang nei tu su tu kupronai ba kutoi, shinai ba kutoi. I collected them, I taught them for 3 years. And I am so proud. Amo no matro class 1 tora se tuko. KG1, KG2 and class 1. After that, I discontinued the nursery, and all my students have gone to Depasura school and to Holy Cross around Gorgorwa. The most important, beautiful that I felt very proud was Amo no matro class 1 tora from. I taught them up to class 1. My child from a very small, they went for an admission test. Depasura Holy Cross school and Gorgorwa in class 3. Class 3 higher student को थाने test हुआ and they got selected. That is, I feel very proud. What I want to say is here, whatever work we do, say kuna tu samantang ko jung bukha bai makai and at the end of the day, je jung samantang ko that work should give me satisfaction at the end of the day. We should not regret. Why did I not teach in so and so class in those days? If I could teach in those days, little more better, today my students would have reached in that position. Such type of regret should not come to the teachers. That is what I want to request. Forget. I pray, let the Monfort school shine. Let the Monfort school become the top school in Tripura. That is my wish, my desire, and I pray, and my full support will be for this school. And to make it that, only the infrastructure, beautifying the infrastructure is not enough. What happens in that infrastructure is more important. The importance of the school, the value of the school will depend on the output of the students, the results of the students, and to give the students best performance, whose roles are more important here? 3 roles are more important. Most important, our parents' activities, parents' guide, teachers, and also the school authority. Jumma pang sano ma nai nai nuko, time mari nai sano. What if I need to sa school dilita mo pore pai? I need sano homework deto. I need sano yang school fee maya. I need sano school fee maya. I need sano tiko school opo manda uyeto. Abo mai 7 paisa cuma abo manai thai. I need sano dress mau uyeto. I need sano dress kiti ko to. Abo nang school isteri di bang singa in bunai. Mami tang ni diloke very sensitive days. Abo ko cuma nai nai. And the teachers, I request the Monfort teachers to speak only in English. To speak only in English and to teach them a perfect pronunciation. Especially Father, Brother Principal, I would request. I am also the product of Catholic mission. I stayed in the hostel for 11 years. Being the first batch of the school, I studied in St. Joseph School, Manikwan, in Karimganj district. Rest of my education, I spent in Assam. So, being the first batch of the school, you face a lot of challenges. I never had the taste of wearing a socks or shoes. In Assam, you know how difficult it is. There was no electricity, no water connection. Computer ni soplo to do sede. Current troi school chung jota makaya. Asuk problem jaga chung or ye paye po. I need batch. My classmates, all of them got government job. That does not our school facility by our school building hamo baya. Teachers, how they teach in the school, how the school authority run, that matters. Our is the most important. Our pandawa one of samchuo, time from sawo, school value, school important, building baya, students the performance by. Student in performance hamna ki teacher ni major role tunai, parents ni role tunai. Our pandawa to teachers, parents and authority, when we combine together, we can make our students excellent in this world. Chung khemai uji insana chung mama ya nai. Amo panawa angtre college hane naya, boso ang sanai, ang tini guardian jomon diha request hanai. Roji ni guardian jomon su chakri khenai tongba. Chung roko su poison chakri khenai tong, chung jotono tang sanai. Arko chung borang diha request khen chung ke bosi. Fathers and sisters and the brothers, the missionary schools are not being set up to earn money. Missionary school outside mole, Rangkuti azinan ba pandaya. Maksud of the mission of the school. That is why it is called mission. Am I right, brother? It is called mission. Why? The aim and objective of the Catholic mission, the private school, is to help the society educationally and socially. Yes, in this world there is no all free. Even oxygen, COVID is all of us, we were scared to die, and all marks, oxygen cylinder by tomato. Oxygen is free there. Oxygen is free. Free kids. Let us contribute. So school fee like that. There are 12 months in a year. There are holidays, but teachers will not say, brother, this December month and January month, it is a season of celebration. Since we didn't teach, you need not to pay us salary. Teachers will not say that. They have to pay. That is the system of the school. Holiday to go master on the salary mario, so school fee or money like time to die. Abo pandachi maro to parents ako, abo na bisa motor mari lai. Abo pandawa ang track on college saya, sini students nimsiyo, tini teacher on last to ang sang cuma my last university ang ke perform kena kaham especially cungti perai jawa, cu emon jaga wo cungtung to silayo, cu emna se pon la chok di prasan nimsiyo. Jadi sampai drugs saya, bas suicide ke, jadi number cukup banyak tangan. Apa pandangan jadi teachers orang, along with education, along with teaching, moral education is very much important in today's day. Moral education to mari na jadi children now. How to get socialized, apa to mari na. Getting too much involved in social media, our children, some of them, they remain inside. They don't want to get socialized. Apa tu problem dia tu? Apa pandawa tu lekhan di bare mo socialist oleh mana mix dengan oleh mana program participate kita tu jadi student orang tu encourage macam mana? If your student becomes someone doctor, engineers or pilot or politician, successful person, no, you as a teacher will cry if you happen to meet your student. Out of joy, and you will say, yes, once upon a time that boy was my student. You will say proudly. But if your student happens to take a drug and lie somewhere, begging somewhere on the street, and if you happen to meet your student as a drug addict, will you introduce yourself? Will you tell other people that this is my student? I don't think so. I don't think so. You will hide from the child. No. Even if someone said that was your student from Montfort, you will say no. You will deny because you will be ashamed to say that yes, he or she was my student. But to the lying on the street as a drug addict, as a beggar. Amo pandawa so, as a teacher, more than parents ni kaum slide, teacher on the kaum no, till student now. I as a parent, one day I have experience from my daughter. My daughter was pronouncing wrongly one word. I said, no, that is not the correct pronunciation, it is like this. She said, no, my teacher taught me like this. So then my child was ready to listen what her teacher taught. Therefore, I request the respected teachers to pay a little bit attention on particulars. Okay? I have nothing more to say. I was happy. One more thing, I can't keep myself not sharing, I want to share. I go through this room to different programs and I see how our school is running. When I pass by this, one day my daughter, the younger one, told me, Mother, you know what is happening to our school? We have a big auditorium and it looks like 5-star hotel, she said. I try sama manu sini sini jenis pun asuk foto mata tunggu 5-star hotel high, asuk yang naik kau. So the children they carry what they see in the school and what they hear, what they see and what they do, and they go and practice at home. So I'm very much happy and I'm proud to be as a parent, as a part of this Montfort school. So thank you very much. Thank you to all the parents. Thank you teachers. thank you, brother, sisters, and the fathers, of course. You all have dedicated all your life. Brothers and sisters, they have come across many handsome men, many pretty ladies in their life. They have dedicated their life. They have decided, yes, I need to go success maybe can. I need to go on break a hamkai mobile. Answer at a hamkai mobile. I buy this similar benefit on that. Thousands of people who are away from the education, who are unsocialized. They are backward play tonight. They took for the most of play to men. Ang ba sa yan sa unay, ang somas di ba pandang sa mga tanay mo sa sipsip ko. Wrong way na pamako na ito. Brother, thank you very much. You have dedicated your life. Because of your struggle, today my colleague told me one of our former principal is here. Among the two is the former principal, Father who is here. Brother, thank you very much. You all have struggled a lot in establishing this institution. In return, we the Prasa or the Montfort families, we could give you nothing, but our biggest gift will be our support, our prayers, good health. We cannot exchange neither gold by night nor diamond nor we can buy. I pray to Almighty God that all of you have a good health and carry out your mission more successfully. And at the end of the day, may you have a satisfactory life and accepted by God. Thank you to the sisters, brothers, and fathers. Joto na hambay, klum ha, sakma.
Saklai mangkaisa, joto parents sini auditorium ni unggulogo washroom tongo, narok juli thana musung hangkai auditorium ni unggulog teke phaye chala bulu washroom tongo ajamo. So joto parents na request kayo, jodi washroom thana musung hangkai auditorium ni side dike thangai sini auditorium ni unggulogo thangai man.
Kaisa saklaimu, jini o tongtok salo, jini mapha songno kaisa saklaimu, jini auditorium ni entrance buskango, Reliance Jewelry ni adong zugrok asukza, borok ni thani tumungno rangsak paina musongui tongke, borok bai gedali mano, tai tamo subida to sai manai, borok bai malakhe, borok jungno tiring ni upolokhe.
Thank you, madam, for your words of wisdom. Hold on to your seats, because we're about to witness an explosion of energy and contemporary rhythm. Our talented dancers are ready to set the stage on fire with impressive choreography, sharp movements, and electrifying performance. From hip-hop grooves to contemporary fusion, our dancers have mastered the art of moving with style and grace. Let's give a huge welcome to our Western dance troupe by the students of Class 1.
Thank you all for your blessing steps. It's time to turn this stage into a runway. Welcome to the Montfort Fashion Show. Our young models are ready to walk on the ramp with poise, grace, and an all-important attitude. From athlete wear to western outfits, from casual cool to formal sophistication, our show covers the spectrum of style. Let the fashion show begin. Welcome our stylish models of Class 5.
Ang Hayo-Hai Chini O Parents Day programo manjagnay jotong mapasong na saklayo. Chini O program noro Muktan TV channel o live naimano.
Good morning to one and all. We, the students of Class 5, are going to present the fashion show of different tribes of Northeast. First, we begin with our Davarma fashion show, a prominent clan of the Tripuri people in Tripura. In their revolts around the Kogro language, they bless them for ancestral traditions. Next, we have Garo Tribe's fashion show. Garo is defined by its unique matrilineal system, vibrant harvest festivals like Wangala Drum festivals. Next, our Jamatia fashion show. Jamatia are prominent indigenous tribes in Tripura. They are known for a distinct culture and religion involves the worship of the 14 gods with Goria Mutai, knowledge of fertility and prosperity. Next, Khasin. The Khasin people, primarily located in Meghalaya, India, are best known for their unique matrilineal society, where lineage, inheritance, and surname pass through the female line. Next, Riang, known as Guru culture, centers on a brilliant line. Hinduism, the local deities, Puraha, Tampra, distinct Sajivu structure chiefs like Rai, Paskal. Next, Bengali. They are a rich blend of history, art, literature, and textile. Next, Kaipeng. They are a subtribe of the Halong people in Tripura, India. Next, Chakma. Chakma culture is rich in Theravada Buddhist traditions with distinct language and script. Next, Assamese. Assam culture is a vibrant blend of Indo-Burmese, Aryan, and tribal influences famous for its joyous Bihu dance. Next, Manipuri. Manipuri culture is vibrant, defined by its graceful classical dance, Ras Leela. Next, Molsum. The Molsum are a prominent subtribe of the Halong community. The community has its own distinct folk dance known as Hai Ha.
Thanks to all our beautiful princes and princesses for taking us to the world of fashion and style. Are you ready for some serious street style swagger? Hip hop is about to take over the stage. Watch as our dancers demonstrate popping, locking, breaking, and freestyle moves with confidence and attitude. The beats are sick, the moves are slick, and the energy is absolutely electric. Put your hands together for the students of Class 2 for their amazing hip hop dance.
मास्ट्रो आपकी नृत्य प्रस्तुति के लिए। अब हम भारत की अद्भुत विविधता का उत्सव मनाते हैं, जो दक्षिण से लेकर उत्तर पूर्वी भारत तक की जीवन सांस्कृतिक नृत्य परंपराओं के माध्यम से झलकती है। दक्षिण भारत की शास्त्रीय नृत्यों की गरिमा से लेकर उत्तर पूर्वी की ऊर्जावान लोक परंपराओं तक एक भव्य सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुति के लिए तैयार हो जाए। ये पारंपरिक नृत्य हमारी जीवित धरोहर है, जो नृत्य के माध्यम से हमारी जड़ों और पहचान को सहेजते हैं। आइए कक्षा 8 के हमारे सांस्कृतिक दोस्तों का स्वागत करें, जो इन भव्य पारंपरिक नृत्यों की प्रस्तुति देंगे।
Lots of appreciation to all our dancers for a spell-binding dance form. Now, we celebrate the spirit of sports. It's time to showcase athletic progress. Sports teach discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and the importance of maintaining a healthy body. Watch as our young athletes exhibit strength, flexibility, and true sportsmanship. Let me invite the students of Class 6 for the athletic performance.
Please welcome the students of Class 3 for the modern dance.
to our little buddies for their wonderful dance movements. Get ready for Get ready for something incredibly entertaining. Our creative cosplay presentation. Students will transform themselves into beloved characters from history, literature, cinema, and popular culture. From superheroes to historical figures, each costume has been meticulously crafted and presented. Let's welcome our cosplayers with enthusiastic cheers. The character parade begins. Ladies and gentlemen, from magical Disney kingdoms to any world, today, costumes come alive and imagination takes the stage. Get ready to cheer, clap, and be amazed. Let the cosplay showcase begin. So here comes the dream team straight out of Malibu and style in one duo, Barbie and Ken.
It's fantastic, you can
Sofia. Put your thoughts together for Judy Holmes and Nick Wyatt. From the grand line to this stage, stretching into action and always hungry for adventure. It's Luffy! Thank you, Luffy, for the glimpse of your spark. Now, from the royal kingdom and full of grace, magic, and heart, please welcome Sophia the First. A truly radiant performance, Sophia. Now, here comes the dark, witty, and delightfully creepy. It's Wednesday Addams. A hauntingly performance, truly Wednesday Addams. Now, let us move on to the next play. Love, love, and a little bit spooky. It's Mavis and Johnny from Hotel Transylvania.
That's my girlfriend, suckers.
Your wife, Johnny.
My wife, even better.
That was sick, Lily. Where did you learn to do that stuff? Transylvania. That's cool.
What an energetic and adorable duo. Now, for our fantasy lovers. From classic tales to modern magic, it's a world of wonder. Give it up for our Disney characters. It's Elsa and Anna.
Elsa? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you out. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? Don't have to be a snowman.
Now, prepare to be spellbound, straight from the her enchanting slumber. Here comes Aurora, also known as Sleeping Beauty, and her prince.
If love is a true thing, there is no magic in the castle.
A fairy tale on stage for a beautiful performance. From a tale as old as time, Beastly, Bravery, and Beauty Toast. from royal boat to our heart. Youth shine as bright daylight. One final hour, one last burst of fantasy. Let's get ready for one last enchanting moment on stage. Here comes the princess who captured a kingdom. Let's welcome our beloved Snow White. Praise to our stars for the enchanting act. Thank you, everyone.
Hambai bayar itu semua, dorong dengan kau burung mari, dorong jadi kapal solo. Tahu orang jono, Christmas, jadi bersama bersama, tunjuk masa tunai. Hari ini kita tahu, jadi dengan sini, sungai dan sungai jono, borong bersama mari, langsung lain.
I request the parents please do not take their children home till the whole program is over. I request the parents please do not take their children home till the program is fully over. Thank you.
Sini program saya sama bicara nama, nama saya bapak lagi, apa kasih sini buat mana yang ada lagi lo, era semua program macam ni, program macam ni, kalau yang ada lagi teman-teman happy, kembali.
Now, in the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by God to the city of Galilee named Nazareth, to a virgin betrothed to a man whose name was Joseph, of the house of David. The angel said to Mary, "Rejoice, highly favored, one the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women." Mary was troubled at the saying and considered world should be registered so everyone want to put our city on it. And Joseph also went up from Galilee to Syria, to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, to be registered with Mary, his betrothed wife, who was with child while they were there. She brought her her son and wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid in a manger, because there was no room. That night, in the field near Bethlehem, some shepherds were keeping watch over their flock by night. And behold, an angel of the Lord stood before them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. And they were greatly afraid. Then the angel said to them,
Do not be afraid, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which will be to all people, for there is born to you in the city of David, a Savior who is Christ the Lord. And this will be the sign to you: you will find a baby wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger.
Hey, the king has been born, the king has been born. Let's go, come on, let us go. Let us worship him, yes. Now, after Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea, in the days of Herod, the king behold, wise men from the east came to Jerusalem. Where is he who has been born, the King of Jews? For we have seen a star in the east and have come to worship him. When Herod heard these things, he was troubled, led and called the chief priests and scribes, where the Christ was to be born. Go and search thoroughly for the young child, and when you found, bring me word that I too may come and worship him. When they had listened to the king, they went their
Gold, Franklin SS, and Laura.
are about to roll these slates with an electrifying performance, an obsession, energy, and raw passion translated into movement. From handbands to power moves, these performances has it all. Let's go this auditorium. Welcome our raw dancers of class 12 for the Western dance.
for your marvelous performance. We now present a truly special treat, a live orchestra performance by a young talented musician. We'll be transported into a world where melody, rhythm, and harmony are mixed beautifully. From strings to percussion, each section plays a vital role in creating this magnificent. Sit back and let the enchanting sounds of our orchestra fill your hearts with joy. Let's welcome the school musician for the orchestra.
I request all the parents, please be seated, and all the students, those are out, those who have completed your item, you please come and sit in the auditorium. Ang parents no request kayo, cerai romotak lang di nogo, sini program payo, je payasan cerai romok kisah lang auditorium pangkal.
Hello, check.
Oh
Thank you, friends, for your marvelous and enchanting performance. Prepare for something spectacular, a dance drama that beautifully combines artistry with meaningful message. Every movement has meaning, every expression tells a story, and every sequence carries a message that speaks to the heart. Through innovative choreography and compelling storytelling, our performers will take you to an emotional journey. Please welcome our performers of Class 9 for this magnificent dance drama.
पहिला हरिबुसुओ गरियानि बागै वादाङै गरियानि गाया सुनालायो बनि उनाव बुसुनि सालखे गरियाते पतर मपुङै बनि दैनि साल वाइनि दामजिओके गरिया बासामानि जराङै बाबा गरिया बासामानि जराओके बताइरवानि बागै हासाल हासाल कानुनि बर' रखायो बताइरलाय फैयो लगेवो मालमाता मिशेल Punjoate meraro barbalai. Teni sali siminte, baba goriano kami kami meraro wani sugalai. Yakubo yagla perike. Horshini, te salsini meraro bayi. O horshini te salsini meraro bayi. Sena hitaye. Aproke baba goriano sen. Tuigo makilai. Te afran siminte. Jotoni nukongo. Tongtogui salai nulai. Te tongtolai amaro salai salai.
Hambai masai thangai rama kaisa saklaimu sini khasuksari ubagara lama ko tamu thai jomo sini jomo pano sopai abon bagai sepuro ko phaya sunjoto pa mata flash mona lam sungai apa yang banyak masuk sini beda sama dia thai jomo hambai.
There is one announcement for all the parents. We have got some members of the Reliance Digital Jewelry from the store. They have come here. As you go home, they will be giving you some token of love. That is, they have brought some candles and some water for the parents. So as you go, you will be receiving those candles and water bottles from the people who came from the Reliance Digital Jewelry store. Digital Reliance Company ni saya KDA people kalau menolak dia nasa asal cepro panapai menolak asal no candle mai kalau warna boleh bagus menolak candle mai mumani mai di botol no telah nak kini asal yang kana warna yang nasa free of cost.
जों जतन साइमन बेनि सिना रय माबासिनि खालसा बुलुगा आवबाय जों जत बारके लामसनायना
I request all the parents, please be seated. I request all the parents, please be seated. We will continue with the program. I request all the parents, students, please accompany the program by continuing. We are going to continue with the next program. I request everyone, please be seated.
We are truly delighted to have our chief guest in our midst today. Now I request our respected brother principal to come on the stage and formally welcome our chief guest.
So good afternoon everyone. This is my second welcome speech for the same program. We are extremely happy and privileged to have our Mubagra Udayur Vikram Manikyathapatna as chief guest for our Parents Day 2025. He could not be here in the beginning as he was on station for various commitments. From the airport, straight away he has come here. A real commitment to his words. Thank you, sir. Sir, we have formed the then NGO Tripraka Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance. It's an NGO to assist stranded people during the COVID crisis. Through his support, students and workers living in various cities of India were brought back to Tripura to reach their homes. A great service indeed, sir. Later, the NGO became a political party. When I called him first to get his consent, him available to be the chief guest, I spoke to him over the phone and he was very warm. I did not know him earlier, but he was very warm and said, sure, I will come. Then to confirm with the invitation letter, I went to his residence, the palace. There, the first question he asked me was, why did you come here? You would have just sent the invitation through WhatsApp. This does me or not, a person of such a great excellence, just telling me a WhatsApp would have been enough. I was so impressed of his humility and respect for every human person. A person simple and extremely good at heart. A person for the other. A person with compassion and enormously service-minded. A mass leader that we could see him when the time he entered there. So many are prostrating before him. It just indicates what popular leader he is, and he is the real Maharaja for Tripura people. Sir, we are privileged and overwhelmed by your gracious presence. Now we shall welcome sir with a Risha and a flower bouquet. I request sir to come over here to receive. yourself. May God bless all our efforts. We shall pray for our Bobagra in a special way. Thank you.
Hambai